Okay, this is another random Baddie business meeting. I just got done filming another Baddie business meeting, which was the comparison of TKB and No Problema Versagels. So if you guys are having trouble on choosing which Versagel, that should give you a little bit more insight. I will link it above for you guys to go check that out. And before we get started, I want to tell y'all, let me know what type of content y'all want to see from me. Like, it don't always have to be about lip gloss, because I want to expand my channel. I don't just want to post only solely about lip gloss. I got some lip vlogs that's coming up, but I want to stretch that content out. Like, I got like 5 lip vlogs, but I want to post, like, Tuesdays will be like businessy days, and Thursdays will be like lit content. So let me know what type of content y'all want to see from me. What do you want to learn about lip gloss? What do you want to learn about period? And what type of other content do you want to see from me? Let me know. But okay, so I wanted to give y'all a few more tips about I probably have to wipe this off. No, or I can keep it so I can show y'all. So tips about how to make your lip gloss pop. Like, this lip gloss popping right now, but it's not popping how I really want it to pop. It's popping, but I want it to pop more. So the first tip, what I noticed makes my lip gloss pop, is if you add a light tint. If you add any type of tint to your lip gloss, it's gonna make it shine more. It's gonna give it that pop. How I know? I came across it by mistake, because I was wearing some tinted green lip gloss that I made called Money Gun, and I noticed like it was just popping more. So hold on, this is the lip gloss that I was wearing. It got little money signs in it. My label came off, but yeah, it got little money signs in it, and it's green tinted. It's tinted green. And let me show y'all. It's just so shiny. This is TKB regular Versagel. This is No Problema regular Versagel. So let me show y'all how it look. See, that tint automatically give it more shine. Y'all see that? That tint, that green tint automatically against your lips, it automatically make it pop out more. So and let me show y'all the lip gloss that I have on right now. So this is what I have on right now. It's just a tinted pink lip gloss, but it's not as tinted. So y'all see the difference? Come on now, I know y'all see the difference. Y'all see the difference? These are just regular Versagel, TKB, No Problema. This is my lip gloss, Money Gun. This is how I figured out that tint makes your lip gloss pop a little bit more than just regular. It's not regular, but it's not as tinted as this one. So I feel like a green tint or orange tint will definitely make it pop. I'm telling you. Green tinted lip gloss or orange tinted lip gloss is definitely, it's gonna, let me show y'all again just in case y'all ain't hearing me. Look at that. I know y'all see that shine. Look at the difference in the shine. Okay, look, this is the lip gloss that I have on, right? So this is the one that I had on through the video, right? These lip glosses are from RoyalBaddieCosmetics, my business. Go check us out, link in the description box. So, and now I'm finna show y'all this one. And this is the other one. Now y'all cannot tell me y'all do not see the difference. Even though it's popping, I still want it to be more popping. So what you would do is you can add in vitamin E oil, or you can add in more polyisobuetene, or you can even add in more tint. And you see like the light is just reflecting off of this lip gloss. It's just bouncing right off. And I like to pack my lip gloss on, not to the point where it's like, I like to pack my lip gloss on, okay? Because I like my lips to be real glossy. Y'all see the difference? You can't tell me that you don't, because I know you do, because I see the difference, okay? I ain't even gotta say too much, but let me get this off me. But yeah, so I figured that out, that like, to make your lip gloss pop, add a tint to it. Watch, you're gonna see the difference. Add a light tint to it. It don't even have to be really super tinted, but I believe a green tint, well, red tint too, will make it pop. I think green, orange, and red is gonna make it pop. Blue will make it pop, but the pop is gonna be a little bit darker than it will with a green, or red, or orange. So green, red, orange tint is gonna make your lip gloss pop, but that's not the only thing that's gonna make your lip gloss pop. You have to add polyisobuetene. Vitamin E oil is optional to make it pop, but polyisobuetene, depending on how much you add, is gonna make it pop. Okay, it's gonna make it pop. Polyisobuetene, you can make it pop without adding a tint. If you just add polyisobuetene to your lip gloss, that's gonna make it pop. But if you add polyisobuetene and a tint, I ain't gotta say nothing. Okay, for real. So yeah, polyisobuetene and the tint, and I want my lip gloss to pop. Like you see me in the dark, it's because my lips are shiny, okay? So I would add, so I would also add vitamin E oil as well, because that helps with the shine too. But I just realized that I prefer clear lip gloss over. At first, when I first really started making lip gloss and stuff, I was preferring like the pink, the light pink pigmented. It's called Pink Pussycat on my website. I was preferring that lip gloss, but then once I got into the shine, I'm seeing how it make my lips just like, they be just look so juicy and sexy. I'm just like, baby, clear lip gloss is a signature. It's a must. So I'm like, yeah, that clear lip gloss is my signature. It's a must, because these lips just, I don't even have to have my hair did. Like my hair ain't even gotta be laid or slayed. Well, it do gotta be laid or slayed, but I'm saying like clear lip gloss, eyelashes, your hair looking nice. You don't even have to have on no makeup. You got that clear lip gloss, eyelashes, or you don't even have to have on eyelashes. As long as your hair and your lip gloss popping, you're popping. And then if you put the nails in, if you put the hair done, you got the hair laid, you got the lashes, you got the clear lip gloss, and your nails did, and then you got on a nice, you can have on a simple fit. That lip gloss, that hair, them lashes, them nails, is gonna make you look expensive. No basic, okay? So I'm telling y'all, try it. Try adding a tint to your lip gloss and polyisobuetene, and you're gonna see a difference. Another way, I'm gonna give y'all one more way to make your lip gloss pop. Oh, if you add in polyisobutene, TKB got polyisobutene, and also it's a site called Making Cosmetics. They're both in the description box if you would like to go check it out. But TKB, I noticed that their polyisobutene, it makes your, if you put too much, it make your lip gloss look like plastic, and I don't really like that. But the Making Cosmetics polyisobutene is like it's really sticky, but it's like a gel type of thing, and TKB's is like a oil or something. So Making Cosmetics, their polyisobutene, it just make it look luscious. It just make it look just it just make it look 10 times better. So that's another thing. And one more tip to make your lip gloss like really popping is, I would say, either you can add shimmer or glitter. You can add shimmer, mica powder. I haven't really tried that yet, but I know mica powder is, hold on, let me make sure I'm saying that right. Mica. When I first started making lip gloss, all I had was mica, but I never really liked that lip gloss, so I actually did try mica. But recently I haven't been like using mica or nothing like that, but I know that mica, that's what it's for. It's to give your lip gloss that shimmery feel, that pop, that extra glow. That's what it's made for. And glitter, it just automatically, it just enhance the pop. I mean, you got, if you do all the tips that I said, and then you add glitter to it, baby, yo, it's gonna be popping everywhere you turn. Like you got on highlighter, your lips are gonna be, it's gonna give the same effect that your highlighter gives. So try those tips, and y'all come back and let me know, did it work for you? Come back and let me know how good it works for you, because I know it's gonna work. But that is all for this meeting, Royal family. I hope you guys learned something from this meeting. I hope you guys enjoyed these tips that I had, honey. And what type of content do y'all want to see from me? Let your girl know something. Let me know, because I be needing like content ideas. I want to know what y'all want to see. I want to give y'all what y'all want to see. So, and it don't have to just be about lip gloss. It could be about whatever y'all want to see from me. Or if y'all got more questions about lip gloss, let me know. Ask me in the comments and I'll respond to you. Or y'all can DM me on Instagram. Speaking of Instagram, if you would like to catch more of my vibe, you can follow me on Instagram at The Royal Baddie. And if you want to listen to any of my music, you can on YouTube at The Royal Baddie. And if you want to see what goes on behind the scenes of RoyalBaddieCosmetics, you can check out our Instagram page, RoyalBaddieCosmetics. And go check out our website, because we got something for all the girls, okay? If you want your lips to be popping, if you don't want to make the lip gloss yourself, but you still want your lips to be popping, go check out the website. We got something for you. We got something for your friends. We got something for your mom. We got something for your sisters. We got something for everybody, okay? And that's all for this minute, Royal family. Until next time, meeting adjourned. Bye.